channel, Tisay. For today's video ay tuturuan ko kayo kung paano gumawa ng Facebook page for our business. So kung gusto mong matuto, please keep on watching at subscribe mo na rin ang ating YouTube channel para sa mga ganito pang klaseng mga video. So without further ado, let's get started! Hello again guys! So, para makagawa tayo ng Facebook page, we just have to use our Facebook app na downloaded sa inyong mga smartphone. So, kailangan natin tong app na to para magawa natin ang Facebook page na kailangan natin for our online business. So, we're gonna open it. Then, yan, pagkabukas mo is makikita mo na ang iyong profile or newsfeed. So, makikita mo yan, and then we're just gonna click this one, itong nasa dulo, yung may profile picture mo, and then we're gonna scroll it down. So yan yung makikita mo pag kinlik mo yan. Gonna scroll it down and then click the pages. So dyan mag-i-start ang lahat. So, once we click the pages, ito yung lalabas, pages you manage. Makikita mo dyan lahat ng pages na nagawa mo or minamanage mo. Then, we just have to click the create here para makagawa tayo ng page. So, create your page. The page is a space where people can publicly connect with your business and etc. So, you can do things like showcase products and services, collect donations, and create ads. And then also, creating your page, millions of people discover and connect with pages every day. So, ayan. If you understand naman dyan, you can click the get started na so we can start creating our page. So, what do you want to name your page? So, ito ang name ng page na gagawin ko. So, site is fashion store. So, the page name should be the name of your business, personal brand, or organizations. You can request to change this later. So, ito yung nagawa kong page name. So, if you have a brand, then you can put it there and then click lang natin next. So, what category best describe this page? So, a category will help people find the page and search result. You can add up to 3. So, ito yung mga popular na categories. So, since fashion store, I click the clothing or brand. So, clothing brand. So, you can also choose the personal blog, beauty, cosmetic, and personal care, etc. So, do you have a website for site is fashion store? So, add a link so that people can visit your website or blog from this page. So, lalagay mo lang dyan yung website mo. So, if wala ka namang website, you can simply click the I don't have a website there, and then we just gonna click the next button. So, add image to this page. Use image that represented what this page is about, like a logo. This will appear in search results. So, ayan, you can add profile. If you click that, lalabas yan, and then if you click the banner, lalabas din siyan. So, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano tayo gagawa ng logo and banner using the CANVA app. So, yun yung magiging brand mo or yun yung magiging branding mo through your page. So, napaka-importante ng logo or ng banner sa mga business pages like this. So, I just click the done muna, and then ayan, ito yung lalabas, get more customer messages, create a post with a message button to make it easier for customer to message you. Ito yung sample na post kapag ginawa mo yan. So, we're just gonna click that next step. Ayan, ito yung mga important steps na dapat natin gawin to get this page set up for success. There are few important things you need to do. You can complete them now or come back later to finish it. So, we're just gonna finish it now. I'm just gonna click the next. Then, add image to this page. Ayan. So, image are what people first see on your page. Use a logo or photo. So, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano tayo gagawa ng logo using the CANVA app. So, let's get started. So, now we're gonna start and go to our CANVA, and then we're gonna search logo. So, lalabas lahat ng mga logos na pwede mong gamitin for your business there. So, that's a logo templates na pwede mong gamitin. So, I'm gonna choose muna kung ano yung gagamitin nating logo for our Tisay Fashion Store page. So, when we say you can use it, so this is a template. Pwede mo siyang palitan ng pangalan or yung business name mo doon sa logo. So now, nakakita na ako ng logo na gagamitin ko and then i-edit ko na lang siya ng kaunti at papalitan ko ng aking store name. So, ayan. So, pinili ko lang yung logo na pasok sa clothing brands or clothing. So, ayan. Pinalitan ko lang yung text sa taas ng side piece. Then, sa baba naman, ilalagay ko yung fashion store. Ayan. So, now we are now done on our logo na gagamitin natin sa ating Facebook page. And I will simply save it as a PNG so it will have a nice quality. Then, we're gonna proceed to our banner naman. So, kagaya ng ginawa natin sa logo, mag-search lang din tayo ng Facebook banner. Ayan. And then, katulad lang din kanina, pipili lang din tayo ng template na gagamitin natin para sa ating Facebook banner or pages banner. Ayan, nahanap lang tayo. So, ito yung banner na napili ko or yung banner template na napili ko. And then, we're gonna replace lang ng ating shop name and then yung ating business slogan. Haha, please disregard my grammar. So now, isi-save na lang natin siya into PNG format para maganda yung quality ng ating photo banner. So now, balik lang tayo sa Facebook and then we're gonna add image to our page. So, click ko lang yung add profile picture and then click ko lang yung ginawa nating logo and done. So, yan, you can zoom it in or you can zoom it out. Just click save. So, hihintayin lang natin ngayon na matapos mag-upload yung ating profile picture na namin. And then, ayan, uploaded na siya. So, let's proceed naman to add a cover photo on our Facebook. Same process lang ng ginawa natin sa logo kanina. So, hihintayin lang ulit natin siyang mag-upload yung ating banner sa ating Facebook page. So, tapos na tayo sa ating profile and banner. Now naman is to invite friends to like this page. More people might see your post in newsfeed if your friends like your page and share post. So, mag-invite tayo ng mga friends natin to like our page. So, be the first one to like this page. So, dapat ikaw yung unang-una magla-like ng page mo. So, i-like na natin ang ating page by clicking the like beside our profile.
So, dito sa baba, yung mga friends, yung mga Facebook friends mo na pwede mong pag-sendan ng invite. So, we're just gonna click the select all. And then, ayan, masaselect na lahat ng friends mo. So,
para ma-send yung invite successfully, we just gonna click the send invite sa ilalim. And then yan, okay na, nakapag-invite ka na ng mga friends mo to like your page. So, next naman tayo, connect to WhatsApp. You can add a WhatsApp button to your page and create WhatsApp ads when you connect your account. So, kung may WhatsApp ka, you can connect your page sa WhatsApp. Kung wala naman is you can skip it naman. So, next is we're gonna create a welcome post for our future followers. So, ito lang yung aking ipopost. So, ang ipinost ko lang is, Hi Tisay! Here's my new shop. Please like and support my small business. So, after nating maklik yung share, so, merong mga lalabas dito na scheduling and additional posting features are available to Pages Manager app. So, gagawa ako ng separate video for Pages Manager app. Next is newsfeed. And then is sa boost post. Sa boost post naman is may bayad kapag magbo-boost ka ng post or ng iyong page. Just click the share if you are done. Then, next naman tayo after ng welcome post is set up automated messaging. Introduce new customer to your business by starting chats with shortcuts to frequently asked questions. So, now we're just gonna set up our messaging. So, dito sa messaging settings, so meron dyang instant reply. So, ang gagawin natin is i-enable natin ang ating instant reply. So, respond to the first message someone sends your page in Messenger. You can customize your messaging by saying hello, give them information about your page, and let them know when you expect a response. Your instant reply. So, ito naman yung kapag may nag-chat sa inyo, ito yung automated reply na magsasend. So, pwede messages, let's move on and add an action button for visitor. This appears at the top of the page to make it easy to people to interact with you. Choose an action you want. So, ito yung mga actions na pwede. Choose the action you would like people to take. This button will be shown at the top of your page. So, ayan, ng mga lalabas. So, get in touch. So, ang pipiliin ko lang is itong send message para kapag pumunta sila sa aking page or sa Sidedance page is yung send message ang pwede nilang i-click. So, make it easy for people to get in touch with you by sending a message on Facebook. So, I'm just gonna click the create and then suggest question people can ask to the beginning of the chat with your page. Then set up automated responses to those questions. So, kayo nang bahala kung anong ilalagay nyo dyan. So, halimbawa yan, is anyone available to chat? And then meron siyang automated na message. And then, after natin dyan sa action button, proceed naman tayo sa add more information sa ating page. You're missing some details for your page. Help people discover and learn about your page. So, ayan ang makikita natin, coronavirus. So, kung meron tayong coronavirus update, pwede tayong maglagay. And then, about sa ating page. So, pwede tayong add website, add description. So, I'm gonna put update description na your fashionista body na lamang ang aking ilalagay. Kayo ang bahala maglagay ng description ninyo. So, we're gonna save that. Next naman is a contact. Add phone number, add email, add WhatsApp number. Ayan, yung mga pwede natin ilagay. The next naman, action button, yung send message kanina. Location, your location, hours. So, sa hours yan, pwede siyang no hours available, always open, standard hours. Kayo ang bahalang mamili kung ano ba yung hours or available hours ninyo dito sa inyong page. So, I'm gonna choose the visitors want see business hours on my page. Ayan. So, next naman is temporary service changes. Ayan, if you have a changes on your page, since this is pandemic, you can update it. Open with service changes, temporarily closed because of the pandemic, operating as usual. So, ayan. Just sa tatlong yan, pwede ka mamili or not. Next naman is more. Ayan, kung may maidadagdag ka pa, you can edit anything there sa more. So now, we're all set up. Ayan na ang ating Facebook page for our business. Ang ating YouTube ating channel, i-like at pwede ka ding mag-comment ng mga suggestion mo doon sa comment box. Thanks, Tisay, for watching our tutorial video. See you to the next one. Bye!